Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 73 Plymouth Road Runner 318 3-speed manual in it. Good driving car. Come from down in Arizona. It's had a repaint at one time. I just call it mostly amateur. You can see, it's hard to see in the videos, but it's got a pretty good shine to it, but you can see some flaws, some dirt from the paint, a run here and there. So not a show car, but just a nice driver. Roof all looks good. Got a good shine to the roof and stuff. But a few imperfections in the paint, just so you know. Just a bench seat, 3-speed manual. Manual choke. But the interior's all in good shape. I'd say good carpet. Or new carpet. The rest probably pretty original. Really no rust that I know of. Like I said, just an imperfection here and there, and you know, and how they taped off on, they color painted the bumpers. You know, there might be an occasional scratch here, but more than that, you probably see some like right here, whatever that is. So driver quality car, just something to go out and have some fun with. You see a little, oh, that's just some wax. No big deal there. You know, like some paint on the trim. Just try to show you everything I can on it. But like I said, nice, runs and drives nice. You've seen the driving video, or you can see the driving video and the running video. There's you know, a few little rock chips and stuff. So, but there's a pretty good run over on this side. Yeah, way down here there's a pretty good sized run. But just so you know, I want you to buy exactly what you want and not buy something you expect in a show car, but nice driver quality 73 Road Runner and well worth the price. So any questions? 605-695-7391.